All right, pulling pulling an excellent vacuum, a perfect vacuum, not overflowing on oil, so good on that. So the first thing I'm going to do is unplug this. Now that I have done that, I'm going to turn this off and let the air leak back in. All right, looks like it's about ready for me to open. Okay, and I unplugged it first, so all right, I unplugged it first. So whatever. So if the heating element blew out, then I know it's because it was overwhelmed. So crap. Let's find out. Shouldn't be receiving power. The circuit's not complete unless it's because of that. Crap. Crap. Okay, there we go. Well, it's too short to use. Well, I think it blew out because it touched the metal. But, you know what I mean? Ow! Crap. Okay, that shocked the crap out of me. Okay, so it's getting power. Okay. So the copper part is getting metal, but I'm not sure if the aluminum alligator clips are clean enough to let the electricity go to the the heating element. If there's carbon on there, that the carbon's interfering with the connection. But so I'm going to have to I don't have senior around. I'm gonna have to get some grab some of my sandpaper and clean the insides of these little alligator clips, and then plug that in one more time, back in, and test to see if the alligator clips are getting any kind of connection, electricity. And if not, then I guess I'm gonna have to take these alligator clips entirely off and wrap the heating element around the copper wire itself. But I'll explore that later. All right, come back and see what happens, folks.